Hey guys, how's it going? Ken W from KW Hotel Tours. We are here in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania at the Super 8 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. This hotel features a indoor pool and jacuzzi and a free breakfast that is closed due to COVID-19. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this room. Here's your door and security. Pause if you want to read that. Deadbolt. Other lock. Open closet. Safe. Right here we have this old bathroom layout. Hair dryer which works. Sink. Or vanity. Whatever you want to call it. Bathroom occupied as usual. We do have a heat lamp in there and a regular light. The bathroom is clean. Right here we got a lamp and mirror. 32-inch TV. We only got 2 beds. For the most part the rooms are actually pretty nice. I'm gonna say. I will say that the rooms are pretty nice. The beds were clean. Except there's some little stain on this there's one little stain on this little top sheet thing here, but not bad. This sheet divided me from this insert right here is clean. I slept really good on this bed. Furniture's a little worn, but I guess that's normal for a budget hotel. We got a microwave and a mini fridge, which was also clean when we check in. We got our desk with the P-TAC unit and some lights, and a light with some USB and outlets. Nightstand with the phone with lights, USB and outlets, and a clock that's currently flipped over. We got some artwork. There you go, show the logo Super 8. Here's the address for this hotel if you want to stay here in the future. We are on the top floor, second floor. This is a 2-story hotel. We got a view of a McDonald's, a gas station, and the roof. The only thing to note is the carpet is a little bit stained, but that's really about it. The rest of the room is clean, I gotta say. So, and the AC filters were clean too, which I was shocked about. And you got your little additional thermostat right there. And I like how it has the outlets and USBs on all the lamps. You know, I mean, the furniture's a little worn and edges like that, but clean. The desk chair is clean. So, I think for $60 a night, or cheaper, $48 a night if you book online, it's not a bad price for this. You're getting a pretty solid place. Sometimes you don't know what you're gonna get with these budget hotels, but this one is pretty good. The cleanliness is good. So yeah, let's take one more look at the room, one more look around. And they do feature DirecTV service. So take another look. Ashley, you guys want to see the hallway? We can show you the hallway. Here's a look at the hallway. Here. I'll give you a little bonus footage. See, we're in room 203. Here's our do not disturb sign hanging. Here's the fire alarm for all you guys that care about that. So you can tell this place is older. Look at the light up here. There's the elevator. You need to put a light bulb up there, but there's a hallway again. Some drink machines, ice machines. Here's the elevator for all you people that care about the elevator. Well, I guess we'll show you the inside of the elevator. So hold on. First thing to come up. Here's the inside of the elevator. I'm not sure what kind this elevator is. It's got this bumper thing. Here's your fixtures of the elevator. Yeah. If you know what kind of elevator this is, tell me in the comments below. But yeah, but this place is a steal for what it is. So if you're in the Chambersburg, Pennsylvania area, or you're going to Gettysburg, you want a cheaper place to stay, this is your place. So, with all that being said, Super 8, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, solid budget travel option, KW approved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.